Lot number 161 is a 2015 Harley Davidson Police Road King. This one looks like it was involved in a accident. It's got damage to the front fender. It may have been laid down. It's been sitting around for about 2 years. It's very faded. The tires are dry rotted. It appears to be complete. I connected a jump box to it. It turns over, didn't start. So I sprayed it with, I don't have starting fluid, I have carb cleaner. And thing turned right on. It turns over sluggish. And then it started and I let it run for a few seconds and turned it off. But I'm gonna try and start it again so you can hear it on the video. It doesn't rev up or anything. But the engine sounds good. At least it starts. It's a 6-speed. This is a 1690 cc engine. It's a 103 high output police Road King. And the engine appears to be good. Transmission appears to be good. I was able to shift it into neutral. It definitely laid down on this side. I can see the footboard here is very bent up. So is the crash bar. The decals were painted over with thick coat of black paint. The seat is torn. All the emergency equipment was removed. The boxes appear to be in good shape. Rear fender looks good. It's very dirty. It's been thrown out here for about 2 years. It shows some of the chrome is pitted. You can see the mirrors. The grips are very sticky. It may be missing some parts, but at least we heard it fire up. It's got 5,599 original miles. Show you here. There's no key available for it. Luckily the ignition is open. 5,599 miles. Yep. All right, so there it is. 2015 Harley Davidson. It looks like it took a hit in the front. It was laid down. The handlebar looks bent. The front suspension may also be bent. Actually looks bent right here. The frame appears to be in good shape, I guess. Yeah, the frame appears to be in good shape. All right, it's lot number 161. Good luck.